So if you're a glow getter and you like to slay, then this fridge is perfect for you. What's good everybody, it's Nadia and today I'm pretty excited because I've teamed up with The Beauty Fridge to bring you guys this video and talk about this bad boy. And I have actually been using this for a couple of months now, so I can't wait to share with you the benefits and why you need one in your life. So this video is sponsored by The Beauty Fridge. I will leave all their details down below, and if you want a code for 10% off, it is Nadia10, which you will see on the screen right now. Because we are talking beauty fridge and that relates to all things relaxation, skincare, feeling fresh. I've left the makeup at home today, even though I am at home, but that's not the point. It's not on my face, so I just embarrassed myself. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Skirt, skirt! So the Beauty Fridge is actually the first mini fridge launched in Australia dedicated to storing your beauty and skincare. So the fridge comes in this nice big box. Inside the fridge comes with these super cute stickers. So if you're a bit of a sticker person and you're a bit colorful, you can stick the stickers on the front of the fridge. It also comes with a cute little postcard, and inside you have the foam to protect it when it is being transported. And then voila, inside you have the Beauty Fridge in whatever color that you have ordered. It also comes with a user manual, so obviously being electrical goods, definitely read through this first. And then for the fridge itself, you have the AC adapter, which is the household one, which plugs into the back of the fridge that you connect to your wall when you have the fridge inside. And then you also have the DC adapter, which is the car adapter. So if you want to take your fridge on the go with you, you can do that as well, and it will plug into your car. So there is actually a switch on the back of the fridge, so you can flick it up for the AC adapter when you have it inside, and then when you are taking it into your car, you just flick it down for the DC adapter. And you also have a switch at the back which has the hot and the cold setting. You can remove all of the shelves in there depending on what you want to store in there and how big your products are. Now it is available in a few different colors, aqua, blush, and white. I obviously got the white one. I really love the white. I just think it looks so classy. I feel like it just matches everything in my beauty room and it's just sleek. Now if you are on social media and you're into beauty and skincare, which I assume if you're watching this video you are, then you would have seen these floating around. There are a few different brands, but I like this one in particular for a few different reasons. One, I love the look of it. Like, I just think it's so sleek, especially with the tempered glass front. I also really like the fact that it has a 10-litre storage space, which makes it the largest beauty fridge in Australia. So you can fit quite a lot of products in there. So why do you need one of these in your life, you ask? Well, that's what I'm here for. So there is two settings, hot and cold. We'll talk about the cold setting first. So whenever I actually mention the Beauty Fridge to anyone who hasn't heard about it before, the first question I get is, why can't you just put it in your normal fridge? And the reason for that is the fridge that you have in your kitchen is actually too cold for your skincare and beauty products. So certain ingredients in your skincare and beauty products need to be stored at a particular temperature, and this stores your products at 3 degrees, which is the perfect temperature for your skincare. Being summer now in Australia, we have had a lot of very hot days. I can't exactly be storing this stuff, you know, upstairs in my bathroom because it gets to like 40 plus degrees in there and my skincare is just not having it. So storing your skincare at a lower temperature actually reduces puffiness and redness in the face. If you think about it, like when you put ice onto a puffy area, it does reduce that puffiness. So it is the same kind of concept there with your skincare, and it just feels so refreshing. It's a vibe. One of the main functions of the beauty fridge is to actually prolong the shelf life of your beauty and skincare products. So you may have noticed a lot of brands are now steering away from preservatives. There's a lot more natural skincare and beauty coming out, which is a really good thing. But you know, one downside of that is those products don't last as long because obviously they're not, you know, packed with as many preservatives. So any products with active ingredients such as retinol or vitamin C in them actually break down when they are exposed to heat and sunlight. So the beauty fridge is perfect for storing those types of items in. I actually have my retinol cream in here. This one right here. Sheet masks and eye masks are also perfect for storing in there. The reason being is when they are nice and cold on the skin, they help to reduce puffiness and also help with absorption into the skin as well. So I like to keep my masks in the fridge door. It has this really convenient compartment just here. I also have a few eye masks that I keep on the top shelf. I've also got a whole bunch of serums which feel so nice when you apply them onto the skin when they're nice and cool. It's just so refreshing. I feel like this makes your whole skincare and beauty routine into like an actual experience. Like for me, I apply my skincare every day and it's just that moment in the day that I like to have some self-care and just relax, and just having that cooling sensation on the skin makes it so much more enjoyable. It's like I'm going to a spa, but I don't have to pay the money. I also have my Tribe serums in here. So I have the Let's Roll eye serum, and this has a metal tip. So when this is even cooler, it's really nice and refreshing underneath the eyes, helps reduce puffiness. I have my Good Molecules brightening toner, which has a vitamin C in it, which is perfect for the fridge. So if you're a glow getter and you like to slay, then this fridge is perfect for you. One thing that is very important when you are buying electrical goods that are obviously going to be left on, you want to make sure that they are tested and compatible to Australian safety standards, which you'll be happy to hear this bad boy is. So as I mentioned before, there is a hot and a cold setting. So for the hot setting, you can store things in there like hot facial towels, facial tools, oils, and massage stones. So I feel like this would be perfect to just get your girls together and have like a pamper night, or con your boyfriend into giving you a massage, which I plan on doing. Thank you, PJ. I hope you're watching this because I expect a massage. Girls' night, oh shit. If you haven't noticed already, there's actually a shelf missing. So I have actually taken a shelf out, which is so good that you can remove all of the shelves in there depending on what you want to store in there and how big your products are. So I've just taken that middle shelf out there because some of my products are a little bit tall. So something that I found was so cool about the fridge was that it actually comes with a DC adapter as well. So it actually plugs in to your car. The fact that you can actually take this in your car had me shook. I actually loved unboxing this because there was a few little cute things inside. Another thing that's really good about the heat setting is you can get that whole spa experience and really freshen up your skin by declogging those pores with hot towels. Ooh, honey. So that brings us to the end of this beauty fridge video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below and I will get back to you. I'm excited for you guys to try this. It's definitely a game changer and will brighten up your mood. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Share this video if you can, it always helps, and I shall see you guys next time. Bye!